as we've discussed, it's Halloween, hence my cute wolf ears. And I still don't know what I'm going to be for Halloween. I'm thinking about Little Red Riding Hood, but I'm not quite sure. So if you guys have any ideas, again, in the comments. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't have a costume. Halloween's like coming up in like 2 weeks. Or if you're just like, you want a costume, but costumes are kind of expensive, you don't want this whole thing, this is the video for you. Because today I'm going to be showing you some random costume ideas from the dollar store. I mean, like, I didn't buy costumes from the dollar store, but all the materials were bought at the dollar store. So today I'm going to show you the costumes for a Greek goddess, a Chick-fil-A cow, a bunch of grapes, and a traffic light. So random. Okay. So first we're going to make the traffic light. So I saw these fun foam shapes from the dollar store. They were like in the office section. But let's get to it. So I'm just gonna open it. Ignore me, I'm like opening it like an animal. Yellow. This green, it's gonna work. It's gonna be fine. Now we're just gonna take them onto the person, which is me in this. They actually smell like, I don't know how to describe them. Like when you go into a store and it smells like berries? I don't know. It's totally random, but it fits with the theme of this video, so we're just gonna go with it. Now it's time to organize some traffic. So next we're going to do the Chick-fil-A cow. I found these fun cow ears at the dollar store in the Halloween section. It even has like a little nose thing, so this should be fun. But you can also make these with a headband and white felt if you needed to. Wow, I have a complicated knot back here. Alright, isn't this so cute? It reminds me of a pig, but I guess it's a cow. So all you have to do now is get a white piece of paper, tape some string on there so it's like a loop like that, and write "Eat more chicken" with bad handwriting and spelling. Time to put this ensemble on. Bye bye, cute wolf ears. Hello, cow ears. Okay, the next costume we're going to do is a Greek goddess. So I got these leaves at the dollar store in the fake flower section. Pretty cool, I know, they're really amazing. And I also got this tablecloth in the party section for $1. So what you're going to do is glue this onto the twine, tie it around your hair like a flower crown but with leaves, and then tie the tablecloth around you like a toga. Well, that's cooling. Time to work on the toga. If you have a brown belt, this is optional. You could potentially use twine. The last costume idea is a bunch of grapes. So get a bunch of balloons. Get it? Because it's like a bunch. I have green ones, but purple works too. And blow a lot of them up. Let's get blowing. I like to stretch it out, it makes it easier. Or maybe I think it makes it easier. This is gonna be a long video. For a second, I thought the other ones were gonna pop. Come on! This is only my third one. I have so many to go. This is so hard. That took a lot out of me. Now, it's just a matter of taping them onto your shirt. Why don't I just eat this one? Please don't eat the balloons. They're not edible. I don't think I have to say that, but just in case. No. I'm just making a joke. So, this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. Balloons are not so good for the environment, so after you're done with the outfit, there's so many cool crafty things you could do with it, like paper mache, yarn balls. You could be creative, you could think of something. Decorations, you could pretend to dress up like a grape and run around the street. People would think you were crazy, but at least you look cute. So, that's the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. And you all can go out as these super cute, random outfits for Halloween. Spooky Halloween. That's, yeah. Have a spooktacular Halloween. We could see you.